Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today's video we are making tomato salad bhaji, for which we need these ingredients. Of course you need tomatoes and some onion. I have mentioned the ingredients in the description below as always, so you can check there. We start by adding some oil, then we are adding some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds, and then go in some curry leaves. And then some green chilies, and we add some onion after that, and you let this saute for a while before you then add the tomatoes in. We've used about 6 tomatoes in this one, but you can adjust the quantity if you want more or less. I have written that in the description below for you. And then you give it all a good mix. Doesn't take long at all to make this, and it's good for morning breakfast. Then we've put the powders, which is turmeric and chili powder. Give it a good mix again, and then we've added a little water and covered and let it simmer for some time. After that we add the salt, and you can then cover and keep again for some time, and there you go, it's all ready. We garnish it with coriander, some freshly chopped coriander, and it's all ready, just in a jiffy. We served it with some freshly baked warm bread. There you go. Do try it out and let me know how you found it. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Bye.